Now let's see the advantages of cost accounting in detail. First advantage is disclosure of profitable and unprofitable activities. Since cost accounting minutely calculates the cost, selling price and profitability of product, segregation of profitable or unprofitable items becomes easy. Okay. Next is guidance for future production policies. On the basis of the data provided by costing department about the cost of various processes and activities as well as the profit on it, it helps us to plan the future. Periodical determination of profit and losses. As we all know, cost accounting helps us to determine the periodical profit and loss of a product. It helps to find out the exact cause of decrease or increase in profit. With the help of cost accounting, any organization they can determine the exact cause of decrease or increase in profit. That may be due to higher cost of product, lower selling price, or maybe due to unproductive activity or unused capacity, etc. Next advantage is it gives a control over material and supplies. Here, cost accounting teaches us to account for the cost of material and supplies according to department, process, units of production that provides us a control over the material and supplies. Relative efficiency of different workers. So with the help of cost accounting, we may introduce suitable plan for wages, incentives and rewards for workers and employees of an organization. So this gives the efficiency of different workers. Reliable comparison. Cost accounting provides us reliable comparison of products and services both within and outside an organization with the products and services that are available in the market. It also helps to achieve the lowest cost level of product with the highest efficiency level of operations. Helpful to government. How it helps the government? It helps the government in planning and policy making about import, export, industry, taxation, etc. So it is helpful in the assessment of excise, service tax, income tax, etc. So it provides ready-made data to the government in price fixing, price control, etc. Helpful to consumers. Reduction of price due to reduction in cost passes to customer ultimately, right? So cost accounting builds confidence in customers about the fairness of price. Classification and subdivision of cost. It helps to classify the cost according to department, process, product activity, etc. against financial accounting, which gives just a consolidable net profit or loss figure of any organization. It does not give any classification or subdivision of cost. To find out adequate selling price. In tough marketing conditions or in slump period, costing helps to determine the selling price of the product at the optimum level, neither too high nor too low. Proper investment in inventory. Shifting of dead stock items or slow moving items into fast moving items. It may help the company to invest in more proper and profitable inventory. It also helps us to maintain inventory at the most optimum level in terms of investments as well as variety of the stock. Correct valuation of inventory. So cost accounting is an accurate and adequate valuation technique that helps an organization in the valuation of inventory in a more reliable and exact way. On the other hand, valuation of inventory merely depends on physical stock taking and valuation thereof, which is not a proper and scientific method to follow. Decision on manufacturing or purchasing from outside. Costing data helps the management to decide whether in-house production of any product will be profitable or it is feasible to purchase the product from outside. So, in turn, it is helpful for the management to avoid any heavy loss due to wrong decision. It gives a reliable check on accounting. It is more reliable and an accurate system of accounting. It is helpful to check the results of financial accounting with the help of periodic reconciliation of cost accounts with financial accounts. Then, budgeting. In cost accounting, various budgets are prepared, and these budgets are very important tools of costing. So, the budgets show the cost, revenue, profit, production capacity, and efficiency of plant and machinery, as well as the efficiency of workers. Since the budget is planned in scientific and systematic way, it helps to keep a positive check over misdirecting the activities of an organization. So all these are the main advantages of cost accounting.